Hi everyone, my name is Chad Blevins. I'm a geographer and mapper working on the Open Data and Development team at Critigen, a small geospatial company based in Seattle, Washington. I'm here to talk about a new project called Trashsites. Since the earliest civilizations, there's been trash. Trash management varies greatly throughout the world, with many people and places still burning trash piles, causing major pollution. In contrast, other countries have highly sophisticated systems of people, trucks, and factories dedicated to moving massive amounts of trash and recyclable material. As populations grow, so does the need for better trash management, with maps being a great tool to help improve the system. The concept behind Trashsites is to improve the trash value chain by mapping trash infrastructure sites, both big and small, throughout the world. Trash is generally defined as something of little to no value. To describe trash, you may use the terms rubbish, waste, garbage, refuse. For this example, we're going to use the term trash to refer to items that end up being tossed away, including recyclable material, and learn how maps can improve trash management overall. Have you ever thought about the full value chain of trash you generate? Where does it come from? Where does it go? And through what process does it end the final journey, either in a landfill, incinerator, recycling center, or in the worst case, the natural environment? The rate that humans are consuming plastic alone is worrisome. Many experts are calling this moment in time the Plasticine age. Plastic is breaking down into microscopic particles and ending up in the water, sand, sediment, and even animals. It's being embedded into the fossil record. A World Bank report, What a Waste 2.0, estimates that at least a third of the world's annually generated 2 billion tons of municipal waste are not managed in an environmentally friendly manner. 16% of the global population from the highest income countries account for 34% of municipal waste. The movement of trash is inherently a geospatial problem, as all trash are generated in one place before finally ending up in the dark, stinky bottom of your trash container. This is where, at least you hope, the magic happens. Magic happens in our house on Friday, which is trash day. My two young boys jump and scream when they hear the trash truck roaring down the street. They get very excited for some strange reason. This happens twice on Friday. There's one truck dedicated to carrying trash and the other truck that's dedicated to carrying recyclable material, each going into different locations. As an example of the changing trash value chain, over the past few years, glass is no longer considered a recyclable product. Our town asked us to now put glass in with the trash. Glass brings around 10 cents per pound, while aluminum, in contrast, can bring almost $2 per pound, and sorting and disposing of glass is considered a burden for the recycling industry. Mapping trash sites is not easy, as trash sorting and collection is getting more complicated. Regulations vary by geography, as well as coloring and labeling of collection bins. What can be recycled? How is it recycled? How is it sorted? As you can see in these pictures, glass is not mentioned in the top 5 categories above, but it has 3 bins dedicated below, one for brown, clear, and green glass. This introduces challenges with tagging and mapping trash containers. High-quality geographic data are critical to analyzing and improving trash management. Here is a list of common tags used in OpenStreetMap for mapping trash sites. You can also use tags in combination to specify the type of waste, who has access, the operator, and capacity of the container. Consistent tags do not exist for the many informal trash sites throughout the world, such as the one in this picture. As you can see in this example, trash from this site flows directly into the waterway. This is not only a public health concern, but also can become hazardous if trash clogs drain pipes and culverts designed to drain water during heavy rains. The first step in developing a sustainable trash management plan is knowing where trash originates. HOT has done some amazing work with improving trash management, most notably in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. In a blog posted last year by Aaron Eubank, it says, "One of the biggest difficulties in establishing an effective and efficient waste management collection and transportation system in Dar es Salaam is how long it takes to travel to Pugu dump site. the only officially designated solid waste dump in the city, and the best route to use. High-quality road data is imperative to moving trash, not only having a complete road database, but knowing surface type, width, condition, and other factors such as height limit or bridge capacity. Garbage trucks can weigh over 50,000 pounds. Our team at Critigen, our OSM team, is working on a tool to rate and rank the quality of OSM road data for particular places in the world. We just ran data for DAR and are investigating the results now, but a first pass showed that there was a lower quality road data than I was expecting. However, some of those errors may not interfere with routing and navigation, such as a road building overlap. And I'm happy to discuss these results with anyone that's interested. So in closing, I would like to thank my boss, Todd Slynn, for letting me work on this project, the Critigen OSM team, particularly Monica Bentley, former Youth Mappers fellow Elijah Karanja from Nairobi, Chompit Chisala and Trudy Hope from Zambia, and Michael Cole from Penn State University, all of you for piloting Trashsites mapping projects with me. So if you're interested in trash mapping and building quality data as part of the trash infrastructure, here's my contact info. Please reach out. I'm always happy to talk. Thank you.